Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 19. A hotel.
What is your favorite hotel? Where is it located?
It's the Sheraton, a 5-star hotel located in Saigon, Vietnam.
How do you know that hotel?
Before coming to Vietnam for traveling, I searched on the internet. It's one of the best hotels in Vietnam.
Why do you choose to stay in that particular hotel?
I like the architecture there, and online all the reviews about the hotel are positive.
Is it by the beach?
No, Saigon is not a beachside city.
Does it attract many tourists?
Yes, I guess. When I stayed there, it was completely booked.
What type of room did you stay in and what facilities did you get from the hotel?
I stayed in a double bedroom. The room is equipped with air conditioner, a flat-screen TV, wardrobe, etc.
What do you like about that hotel?
A gymnasium, swimming pool, and barbecue area are available. I also love the green space surrounding the hotel.
Are all the staff friendly and helpful?
Yes, definitely. They all are professional.
How much does it cost a night?
It costs me around $250 per night.
Do you recommend that hotel to friends?
Yes, if they come to Vietnam. I love everything there.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dance Ryan in order to get more video. Thank you.